The excitement continues to build for the U.S. Open, and today we've got another tennis tip for you. I am here with USPTA Elite Professional Bill Riddle, and we're talking about the hit zone. Tell me what that is.
A lot of times players will pull out of their swing pattern or out of the hitting zone. So what we're going to do is we're going to work on staying through the ball the entire time.
If you aren't staying within that zone, what is it going to look like? When will people know, oh, that's what my problem is?
A lot of times they'll have mishits. They'll be hitting around the edge of the racket, or they'll be spraying balls side to side.
Okay, and you get that weird sound instead of that solid.
Yeah, you get that weird funky sound, and we want that solid hit.
Absolutely. All right, another tennis tip for you right here on Williamson Source. Make sure that you get signed up for a great giveaway. We're going to be doing that leading up to the U.S. Open. And of course, check back in next week for another tennis tip of the week.